What can I say about Alexander Plumbing? James is amazing. I have had him do work in our house. He put in a water filtration system, which was amazing. Him and his team were very clean, very thorough. The price was right. Also, we have a bunch of rental property, and we trust him to the point where we don't even ask him what he has to do, just go in there and take care of it. He's extremely trustworthy, timely, and just an all-around good guy. I honestly wouldn't recommend anyone else for plumbing to anyone.
James is awesome. I've known him for about a year now, and every time that I've interacted with him, he's always friendly and personable, and every customer that I've sent his way has had nothing but good things to say about him.
He was responsive, came back right away, showed up when he said he was going to be there, and it was very comfortable having him in the house. And most importantly, he did a fantastic job. Everything that he did is in good shape and working well. Couldn't be a nicer guy, and highly recommend him. We would use him again without hesitation.
One of the things I absolutely love about Alexander Plumbing is that they have a whole team of leaders. They take accountability, they're on time, right? Anytime they're on a job, they take control of their responsibilities, and they work with everyone else to make things happen. If something doesn't go well, they fix it right off the bat.
So I have worked with Alexander Plumbing on numerous occasions, and each time that I worked with them, they were very knowledgeable about everything that I needed, from quotes to work that needed to be done, and they were very efficient in getting the job done. So I'm very appreciative, and they also care about their customers. I think that's my favorite part.
James Alexander fixed my toilet for me. I am handicapped, and I was flopping on my toilet, and I was ready to put my toilet through my floor, and I told James about it, and he came to my house and he installed a 88 toilet for me, and then he came back several times later to make sure that I was still safe and good, and I really appreciate that because he done me a great service. If I had put the toilet through the floor, I'd been in very big trouble, but he saved me before that happened. He not only put in the 88 toilet for me, but he also fixed the floor, reinforced it. So I highly recommend James Alexander Plumbing. Thank you.
From the homeowner side, he has come out, he's helped me out at my own house. He's been honest, even when that honesty meant he told me, you don't gotta do anything yet. It's not worth replacing. Call me back when you have issues, which for a homeowner to hear that kind of honesty of someone saying, I don't wanna take your money right now, it's not necessary, is amazing. And on the contractor side, I love using James for my jobs because I know that he's gonna do excellent work. He's gonna show up on time. His guys are always respectful and professional, and they're there to get the job done. James has bailed me out on a couple of different jobs too when I was in a pinch, and he's shown up the same day to make things happen. I love that. As the person running the job, I know using James to come in and help us complete the plumbing is always going to impress the homeowners.
One thing I can say about James is he's always responsive, especially in an emergency. I know that he'll get the job done. He's reliable, and he has a very trustworthy crew.